Hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how I created this beautiful colorful cut crease look. So to begin with, I'm using MAC's Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC45 to prime my eyelids. Next, I'll be using, most of the color that I'm using is from the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, her collaboration with Morphe. And the first color I'm using is No Joke, beautiful yellow color. And I'm just applying that right above my crease. Second color I'm using is called My Man, again from the same palette, and I'm just applying that right on top of the yellow color that I applied first, making sure that I blend both colors well and bringing it a little bit down into my crease. The third color that I'm using is called Oh Hello, and this is a nice berry color, and I'm applying that with a smaller blending brush right into my crease, making sure that I blend it well. Next, I wanted to darken up my crease a little bit more, so I'm going with Crazy, and this is about 2 to 3 shades darker than Oh Hello, and I'm just applying that directly into my crease, blending it back and forth into my crease. Now I'm switching palettes for a little bit, and I'm going in with MAC's Volume. This is from Morphe's 24A Artist Pass palette, and I'm just popping that right towards the outer end of my eyes just so that you can see the brighter colors and making sure that the transition is smooth. Now for the fun part, I'm gonna cut my crease, and I'm using the same concealer that I used to prime my eyes. And this brush I've had for years. I do not remember the name of the brush, but I know it's from MAC. But you could use any flat concealer brush to cut your crease. Now when you're cutting your crease, you want to make sure that you go a little bit higher than your natural crease. So one trick I learned from Makeup Shayla is that you want to open your eyes and look up. Don't tilt your head back, but just look up, and wherever that concealer touches, the highest point is where you want to cut your crease, which makes sense because if you put it right in your crease, when you open your eyes, it's just gonna mess everything up. So you want to make sure that you go as high as possible, so when you open your eyes you can see your crease and it won't make a mess. So now I did a half cut crease, so I'm just blending the outer edges with those colors that I applied previously. Alright, so I'm applying this berry color, all the colors that I applied first, I'm just reapplying them to my outer edges. Now for my lid color, I'm using Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and this is a really pretty, it's like silver with hints of gold and pink. So I'm just popping that all over my eyelids, and then I'm going back in with the blending brush that I used first, and I'm just gonna blend. Guys, the key to good makeup is blending. You gotta make sure all your colors are blended. So if you gotta go back in and touch up every color and make sure that it's blending and it's popping right, then do so. So that's what I'm doing here, just making sure that everything is well blended. Now I'm taking Temptress from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just smudging that along my lash line, my top lash line. I'm just smudging that along my lash line because I'm not going to be using eyeliner. This would act as my eyeliner. So I'm just doing that for the other eye, and then I will be going in with my mascara. So this is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, and I like to apply a little bit of mascara before just to get my eyelashes a little bit longer before I apply my lashes. But I'll still apply mascara after I apply my lashes. But I like to apply it first, a little bit first. So I did apply my lashes off camera, and I used the Your Lash Bar. I believe it is My Tai. Now I'm doing my foundation routine here. I speed this part up because it would have been entirely too long. So, but I promise I will do a foundation routine so that y'all can see the products that I use and how I apply my face makeup. Now I'm going in with this is L'Oreal's Smoldering Eyeliner. I've had this one too for a long time. I love this eyeliner, and I'm just lining my waterline with this black eyeliner. And now I will be taking a pencil brush and applying all the colors that I applied in my crease, starting with that orange color, then the berry color. I'll just be smudging all those colors underneath my my waterline. Now I'm applying Temptress. This is the dark, it's not black, but it's like a dark gray. So I'm applying that right on my waterline as well. Now I'm priming my bottom lashes with L'Oreal's Voluminous Base. I don't have really long under eyelashes, so this really helps my lashes to show. So now when that dries, I apply the mascara. Now I'm just applying my final touches to my face, highlighter. Alright, now for lips, I'm lining my lips with this pencil from NYX. I believe the shade is called Brown Black. And for lipstick, I'm also using NYX Metallic Lip Cream in the shade Copenhagen. And that's it, guys. That's the final look. I think it turned out really pretty, nice and bright, very wearable. It's not too much, it is very wearable. And I hope you guys enjoy this quick little tutorial, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.